Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous SEAT Ibiza 1 litre MPI SE Technology. Now this vehicle has currently done 35,569 miles and it's finished in the colour Midnight Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You will find your LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle throughout the day. You've got very stylish chrome detailing surrounding your front grille there. Round here to the side you'll find your 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there. And now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Here inside to the rear you'll find your lovely two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now heading to the rear of the vehicle now. You have your Ibiza badging there across the tailgate. And now let's go ahead and open up the boot here. You'll find the release in the SEAT badge. Flipping open to reveal a very nice amount of boot space. You can fit a weekly shop in there very easily. There are also tethering points you can tiny loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. And up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, and let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice matte grey finish across the dashboard. Your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this SEAT Ibiza has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments. Now these allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear, and they're super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You have your front electric window switches there. Here on the dashboard you'll find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. You can be sure the road will be well lit wherever necessary. Moving on now, here on the right you'll find your wiper stalk. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel now, you do have the controls for the nice digital display that you have in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can see all of your driving data there, such as the digital speedometer, oil temperature, miles to the gallon on there. You can access additional menus as well. You have your driver assist features here, which does include your front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can access other features as well there. Here to the left you've got your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can also change track and station there as well. To the left here you've got your indicator stalk, and at the end of it you'll find your speed limiter, where you can set up a speed that the vehicle then won't allow you to accelerate over. It's a great way to maintain a specific speed limit and ensure you don't go over it as well. You can access it very easily there on the indicator stalk. Here to the centre of the dashboard now you have your touchscreen infotainment system. On here you've got access to your radio. There's FM and AM radio. You can tune stations in very easily there in the station list, and you have an option for saving many presets. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB, auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, CD player and SD input as well. Here in the phone menu, you can connect your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to. Moving on now. This Ibiza does come with voice control. You can ask the vehicle to do specific things like set a radio station, enter navigation addresses, call people on the phone. Here you can see your navigation so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a nice vibrant coloured display. You can change the view between 2D or 3D. You can also find places of interest, which is very handy if you're in a new area. Moving on to your full link here, you've got access to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, which will bring a similar interface to your phones onto the system, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text when you're driving. Allows you to also access compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming servicing, navigation applications, and even apps such as WhatsApp and Teams. Moving on to the vehicle menu now, you can see your trip information there, which you'll find in the driving data. You can see your consumers with what's using the majority of your fuel. You also have your eco trainer there, which judges you on how fuel efficient you're driving, and you've also got your vehicle status as well. Below here you've got your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. You've got your 3 switches with the fan speed in the centre, your temperature to the left and your direction of airflow at the right. Your heated rear windscreen and air recirculation there as well. It's a very minimalistic look, it's very easy to use. Below you'll find a storage compartment with your 2 USB and auxiliary inputs. Here to the left of your gear selector you'll find your door locks and the start-stop system. You've got your 5-speed manual gear selector there as well. Thanks for watching this video on the SEAT Ibiza 1.0 MPI SE Technology. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.